P, finest bullies. We out here today. Kira out here, you know. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. We bred tough over here, man. It's cold out here. This is ice. A little snow. We still out here getting it in. Come on. This a little update. I'm about to turn up on Instagram again. I'm about to do the little lives again. I took a break from that. But we got some topics to talk about. I'm gonna say them in a later video because I'm still writing everything down, the process of getting everything done. But for all the breeders out there, if you want to join, you're more than welcome. No, correct me if I'm wrong on certain topics. Come on, let's go. Correct me if I'm wrong. Or we could just talk. And talk about the topic. You know, we all here to better each other. Here to better each other knowledge. Come on. Because I'm not saying I know everything. Goddamn, I'm about to fall. I'm not saying I know everything, but I do know a little something, you know? What you got? What you see? Hey, what you see? Come on, let's go. What you got? Go, let's go get it. Come on. Let's go get it. Come on. Go get it. Go watch it. Go look for it. Go. Come on. Go watch it. Go watch it. Come on. You ain't gonna do nothing. You ain't gonna do nothing. What you gonna do? You ain't. You soft. Yeah, you running. Come on. Oh, worry, you gonna run up on me? But like I said, we're gonna be doing that. So stay tuned for that. Some special guests gonna be coming in that video, and one of them. Fuck cold out here. Come on. But we're gonna keep on doing what we're doing. And thanks for the people that's showing love with the commenting. Showing love, major love. Kira! Good girl! Look at this dog, man. You know, up and coming female, man. God damn. You know, she mess with other dogs heavy. She love being around other dogs. You know, she's not the life of the party, but she get busy. She get busy with the other dogs. You know, if they try to punk her, she gonna punk them back. You know, let's go. She don't like to get punked, you know. Oh, bite work coming up too. I got the tug right. Got the tug back. Yeah. So we gonna be doing that. And I got this little toy coming in for Kira. That's gonna be helping her with her brain, with using it more, her intelligence. You know, it's a little toy. I'm gonna do a unboxing video. Little unboxing video. I'm gonna show y'all how it works. She reminds me of a little bear, you know. Come on. Hey, Kira, let's go. You know, recalling, we still working on it. I don't know if y'all can see. But, you know, she has her good days, she has her bad days. But mind you, still a puppy. At this age, this current age, 6 months, this is where they test you the most. This is where they learn how to be a dog, if that makes sense. They learn, okay, look, I'm getting older now. I'm gonna test my owner. You know, the only thing you gotta do is correct them and make them think about what they do. You know what I mean? So You know, you gotta be patient. Patience is the key. Come here, let me put this back on you. Come here, sit down. Patience is the key. Patience is definitely the key. Come on, let's go. See, she love the snow. Again, this bipolar weather, but come on, let's go. Over here. See, she messed up a leash. That's what she do out here, man. We're gonna get out the snow before she gets sick or whatever. Like I said, I like my dogs to be tough, but I also don't want, put my dogs in harm's way, in the snow. Like them videos I was doing, I knew what enough was enough. I wasn't gonna have the dog outside for no whole hour, 2 hours, and get sick. You know how that go, Come on. She's about to get out of here. I'm waiting for her to poop, because I'm about to be fasting her. Yo, everybody that's scared to fast their dogs, man. Fasting your dogs is good for you, especially if you changing them on different dog food or you want to do training. Fasting your dog is wonderful, man. Some people, they have their disagreements on it. Their way of thinking, but I like it. I've been doing it. That's how I was taught, Fast your dog. It works. And she's 6 months. You see, look, she alert and everything. A train going by. Alert. She's alert and everything when she's fasting and hungry, man. Drop the leash. Man, I keep on saying in every video, it's a bad habit I got. I'm dropping my leash. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, Kira. Come on. See what I mean? The recall is slow. So that also could be like, that's why I said when you keep your dog hungry on that case, you can reteach your dog, especially at a young age too. Especially in my case, I got her at 4 months. So learning her name was a little difficult. You get what I mean? Come on, Kira. Let's go. Hey, get out of there. Come on. Let's go. See what I mean? I'm going to show y'all my flaws. Good girl. And when they come back, always praise them. Good girl. You see? I'm going to show y'all the flaws in this training, man. Like, I got her at 4 months, so it's kind of hard, with the name. But, dogs will pick up on it. And like I said, she's still a puppy, so you're going to get them puppy behaviors, Takes a little minute. But she love, and that's another thing too, the distraction of the snow. When a puppy got a little distraction, they minds go everywhere, man. They minds go everywhere. No. Want the stick? Want the stick? What you gonna do with this? You don't wanna do nothing with this. Yeah, you wasn't gonna do nothing with it. See? I threw it. Oh, okay. What you gonna do with that? Huh? What you gonna do with that? Let her enjoy herself, because also too with the fasting thing, if you fed the dog, you gotta let them use the bathroom. So that's the only reason why I'm out here right now. Let her clear her body out. But who's ready for them Instagram lives? Because your boy is. Show my face a little bit. I look a little rough. Definitely a little rough. I'm actually going to the doctor for my hair. And everything. So I'm definitely looking a little rough. You got toys at home, man. Like, yo, and then she's at the stage too, yo, that she wanna chew on everything. If she don't got her toys, man, she's the worst. Alright. So if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Show your boys some love. You know, we out here. Gia. my big cousin always used to say that, man. But we out here. Kira, come on, let's go. Come on. Get out of the snow. Come on. All right, we out, yeah.